I'm going to take you guys on another tour of a finished basement. This one's kind of interesting because it was already finished and the customer invited me in to do our magic. This staircase was a closed, tight hallway which we opened up. We removed some walls here. There was a wall, and this is a before picture of what it looked like after we did our demolition. You know, and there it is, same spot. And you can see what a transformation that took on. So as you swing around here, we're going to try and show you some more before pictures. Again, after demolition, you can even see some windows in the background that we closed up, created these two built-ins, and put the TV in the center. So we're trying to have a better use for the whole basement and open it up and give you a more inviting feel to the basement. So back to the same view of the bar before picture. You could see what it looked like, and we'll swing around and we'll show you what this area looked like as well. And you could see the basement was done. It was very basic and plain, but we wanted to add, our style and finesse to the basement. And we changed all the flooring. It was carpet, and we added this hardwood looking tile, which is just gorgeous. Here's a better look at that staircase after demolition and finished. So you can see it makes a dramatic change in the finished product of the basement. So as we wrap back around to the bar area here, we had a utility area off to the left that we couldn't figure out what to do with it. So we built a hidden door, show you here in the picture, that kind of opens up, and it just looks like a regular panel. As we come through the bar, you'll see off there to the left, and right there where we're looking at now is where that hidden panel is. So it's a unique way, better look at staircase again, and just in general, another custom finished basement by Pat Gagliano. Thanks for taking this tour with me.